guys, we back with another video. Listen, man, I'm gonna do some roast fish today. I'm feeling for some fish. The we Jamaican, know that's it. Yeah, I'm feeling for some swim around right now. So, I'm on my way to the store. I'm gonna tell you that I want to get some swim around car. A good while now. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. A good while I'm gonna get some swim around, people. So I'm gonna get some swim around and them something there. Don't know the thing, go. So right now, we're off to the store, you see me? Yeah. We're off to the store right now. And them things there, so. You know, we see what going nice store, bag of thing. You know what I mean? Epic. Yeah. At the poolside, chilling. You know, that's what we're going to do. All our vibes and them something there. Right? So, watch out for the banger, no? No, it's a banger. So, remember me telling you, say, we're there at the store and everything there. You know what I mean? Yeah, get it. Get some swim around. So me get the swim around. And they have some frozen one, you know. Some big still, but you don't know. Yeah, 3 parrot, you see me? Yeah. The 3 parrot. See me I say, people, 3 parrot. Don't know. Roast me, I go roast them, you know. Roast me, I go roast them, you know. Okra, all of that and them something, you see me? Yeah, people, so we're out here. You know the chefs go already. You see me? My style. You know my style go. I'm gonna go show you when me in a store and them something about. I swear to you, know. I don't know what happened. I'm gonna forget about. So me I do this. You see me? Roast fish. And them something there. So you don't know the bangings go? Yeah, it's a bang. Yo. They're the yard and thing. So you know what time it is as well. Say. You're gonna deal with the swimmer run. See me, we're gonna deal with the swimmer run, people. You see me, I'm done telling you how I'm gonna deal with it already. Oh God. Yo. Bombastic. Right now, that has some coconut milk. Some coconut milk right there. Bubble right now. You see me? Yeah. So you don't know what style me I deal with. You see it? That me I tell you, mad. Leisha the right there, but Leisha never no close. So me can even put the camera around it. You see? Yeah. But more go show. Yeah, I see your booty. Alright. See what I go alright there. You see me as that? So look right there for the thing I go. Cause if I turn the camera this way, and I say other things.
You think that's cute?
Yeah. Big up to all who check in, cause mad thing, you know we are do this epic style as I say again. You know we have to always do a vlog. People must say, you're not doing enough vlog, you know. See? So, you don't know the thing, go. I just cook some, and my dinner I cook right now. You see me? I cook my dinner, and them thing there. So, steamed fish. See it? Don't know. Braffins. See me I say? Yeah, man. Have some Jamaican liquor right there, so you don't know the thing already. Yeah, braff off, you know? Yeah, when we're done with that, mad thing, it got epic. You see me? So, just stay tuned for the bangers, man. You don't know the thing, don't it? Out and gone. Yeah, man, you don't know. Season him up on something, you see me, I say? Yeah, man, I have okra and I have pumpkin right there, so well, chop up. See how them do them something in America now, cut them up and sell them, because people, you know, enough people say them not have no time. Them not have no time fear cut up pumpkin. So we cut it up and sell it to her. You see it? So swim around. You don't know. I go to the store and I look for callaloo. I not find a callaloo. You see me, I say so I use spinach. See me, stuff it, spinach and them something there. Yeah. Ray. You see it? Yeah, don't know where if you have the what? The crackers. See me, I say, if you now say Excelsior, you see it? Yeah, water crackers. You see me, I say, people, yeah, fat free too. So you know what we are dealing with around here. We are watch your weight. You know what I mean? Time and them something there. Yeah, you get the pepper them ready and thing and you know, make it nice. You see me, I say, yeah man, you don't know the thing. So as I say, it's a bang. So people, just watch the one and a man. Bangers man, bang. Alright, so you doing some coconut milk. I come to a boil. You see me, I say, coconut milk come to a boil. You don't know my style. So I have the pumpkin in it cut up. Make it go and cook from now. And them things, because you know, say steam fish not really take a long time on them things. You see what I say? Yeah. So we are deal with it, the style, yeah. Make it cook. And them something, the ladies and gentlemen, you know the thing go. Me have thyme in there. And me have some onion. You see what I say? Yeah. You know the coconut milk and a little salt. That's a pinch of salt. Because I'm going to put in butter in. Remember me I put in some butter and everything there. Bag of things same way. You see me? The okra and then something. Because you know okra easy for cook. You see me I say? Look at that. Flavorful, you know. You smell that, you know. Oh my God. Me I wonder if you can smell it. When I can smell it, me know to smell it, man. Yeah, man, me know to smell it, man. Yeah, man, just comment on this. Comment on the smell, no, man. Alright, so, over here, so as I say, you have a pepper, don't know okra. You have 2 peg of garlic. And we have what? You don't know this, what? Scallion. You see me? Don't know them thing there. Then we're going to put in ray, and sit there. Make it go and cook. Steam. Easily, people. It's not hard. It's not hard. You can do it. I can do it too. Alright. I come to a boil, I say, you know, people. You go put yourself, you know. You see me? Cut up this right and all. Who that? Leisha? Yeah. Don't know in the kitchen. You know? Ladies, this is what you would like, you know? Your husband home cooking for you, you know what I mean? Yeah. What's up, girl? In the kitchen with me? What? What you saying? No, that the woman them like, you know. Them like it. You see me, people? Yeah, right now me I cut up some garlic and them something there. You see me? Don't know put it on my pot. Rare. Get it hot. You see me? So you don't know as I say this. I got finger licking. You see me? I say we not talk about DJ Khaled them and finger licking restaurant. No. You see me? This make you bite off your finger. You see me? Yeah. So this name bite off finger. You see me? This nalinga. You see me? I say, yes, I big up the people we are going to view this. You know the thing go already. Epic. Cooking. Yeah, man. Don't know yardman style, you know. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Yardman style. Big up Sunrise Boss. Yeah. One shout out to Sunrise Boss, you know. Yeah, man. You don't know the thing go. Always I see my beer cooking. Yeah. So big up you them who can cook, you know. Yeah, man. I cut up the garlic, people. don't know the thing go. Mine no cut off on the finger. You see me? Cause you don't know the finger now go linger. You see me? Once the knife sharp, finger go cut off. You see me? Yeah man, whole heap of garlic, you know. Get it nice. You know? Alright. Cut up a pepper. And you know it's scotch bonnet pepper, so it hot. So you don't have to put in much pepper. You know? Yeah man. So right now I in a pot, you see me? Yeah. And they go and cook. Feel me? Oh, I think I make a spill. See that a while ago, but never make no spill. Everything, Chris. Yeah. That I go come to a boil right now. And I put the swim around in it and them something there. And make it go and cook. Like him done. Bag of things. See me? 15-20 minutes. Ready. Can't forget the butter though, yeah? Whole heap of butter. Brand new butter, so that means tastes better. Alright. Tastes better. The butter. Me like use a whole heap of butter, you see it? Whole heap of butter, make it nice. Flavorful. You see me, people? So, it's up to you, your choice. If you want to use a whole heap of butter, yes or no. You see me? Yeah. You don't know the thing, go. It a go mad. I mean, if you telling you, it a go mad, people. Yo, it a go sweet. It a go sweet. So, just watch out for it. And something when I'm done with it, I'm going to see what I go on. Bang! Alright, guys. You know, the pot a bubble up. I'm going to turn it up a little bit more, you know. You see me? You know? Yeah, that's a little notch. Can go and bubble. You see me, I say, people? I tell you now, right now. Ooh. I can't listen, man. I'm going to put the crackers in there yet, you know, so remember that. See? Yeah, I'm going to put the crackers in there. You see me? Don't know the thing, though. So, right now, one sprinkle, you know, eat that black pepper flavor, same way. Yeah, you know it go already. And a sauce, you know, not much, but you don't know. Just to make it have a nice flavor and, you know, clean up. Watch it. So we do it, you know. I'm gonna clean up same time when we work, you know. Big up to all who are watching me till they say smell it. Smelling delicious right now. Yeah. So you don't know. Just catch it now, man. In a bang. Bang. Yes, people. I'm telling you, man. Right now, I just put in the crackers. You see me, I say? Because you know the steam I gonna make the crackers kind of soft up and, you know? Just I put like a juice on it still. You know? Yeah, man. Look good. Me for telling her. Yeah, man. Make Leisha taste the gravy a while ago, and Leisha say, yo, it don't taste good. No, she a play, you know? She tell me say body no, but she just want to blow my liquor high right now. I say, yeah, it tastes good, street boss, but she know it tastes good, people. And me for telling her. You see me? Broth in that. You see me? Yeah, man. Whole heap of broth in, you know? Yeah, man. Hey, now watch my pot, you know? That me I telling you. Pot have been with me a little while. We are gonna give it an upgrade still. Although you don't know me have pot on them today. Don't watch it. That me I telling you. But the pot here, we have to use the one because the one kind of wide enough, you know? Yeah, so we have to use pot. Pot, big up yourself. Anyway, in the world, pot could have there. You see me? Here a name called. I don't know what pot, but see pot, yeah. Pot. They don't know the thing of people. It's about that time. Cover up back the pot and make it go on. Simmer down. You see me? Yeah, mad something. I got, ooh, I know it I got mad. Know it I got mad people, so. Yo, let's go and check it out. Bang!